Okay, we're gonna go through my skincare routine. First things first, I'm gonna put up my hair and wash my hands. Epitoxyl on the nose because it vaporizes all those leftover dirt and oil. So it's DMK's toner, but you really don't need it. But it's just an extra product that I like to use. Milana Tech drops. Brightening the skin. It is a 𝐁𝐨𝐨𝐤𝐵 inhibitor. 1 drop on each. Acid mantle replacement, your natural oils and sweat that waterproof the skin and protect your natural oils and help regulate the oil flow in the skin.